Hi, I'm Lou, and today we're going to change the battery on my 2018 Chevy Silverado. The first thing we'll do so we don't lose the settings in our computer is put in a memory saver, which is a cigarette lighter plug that goes usually to a 9-volt battery, but I made my own and hooked it all the way back to the battery on my Polaris RZR. This will keep the power up while we change batteries. First, this metal support bar is in the way, and you take out a bolt there, and down here, and this comes off. Just pry at the front and back edge and this cover comes off. Next we have to get this terminal plate off, and it's screwed on here, and here to these cables with those nuts. So I took all those off and then taped them off so they don't accidentally touch something. There's another one over here that I took off, and then these two had to come out here. Lastly, you loosen this nut, which allows that to come off, and then the whole thing will just lift right out. Now we loosen that nut and this will come off. Finally, there's a bolt down there that holds the battery in. The hardest part of this project is getting the battery out, but if you turn it sideways like this and lift it at an angle, it will come. Same struggle on the way back in. You may have to pull the wiper tank forward to get it to fall in and then flip it upright. We put this holder back down, bolt it in. Our power distribution plate snaps on top. Untape your wires, put them on the terminals, and bolt them down. Plug these two connectors back in. Battery ground wire, battery power wire, plastic cover, support bar, and we're done. Memory saver. So how'd we do? Truck started fine and everything's still there. Thanks for watching.